Hello friends, welcome to my channel KOKANE Photography. In the last video, we saw how to create a catalog and we created a trial catalog. In this video, we are going to see how to create folders and import files in the same catalog, that is the trial catalog. There are two methods of importing files and folder in the Lightroom. First method is the normal method as we do in Windows. We create folders and copy it in this folder and then we import these in the Lightroom. And the second method is creating the folder and copying the files through Lightroom. So let us see both of these methods of importing files and folders in the Lightroom. First we will see the normal method. We will create a folder named wildlife, which will be our main folder, which will have the subfolder of our photographs. This main folder you can make at your desired location. I have made this in F drive. Now I will make a subfolder named 1 NMBS 3 August 23. I have named the folder as per my convenience, in which 1 tells me the sequence of the folder, NMBS is the abbreviation of the place, and 3 August 23 is the date of photography. You can name the folder or the subfolders as per your convenience. Now I will copy the files from the folder of this memory card by selecting all the photos to the subfolder . One NMBS 3rd August 23. The files are being copied to the hard disk. This is how normally we create folder and copy files in it. Now we will open Lightroom and import these files and folder. When Lightroom is open, you cannot see the folders created just now in the folder section. Also, you cannot see the photographs in the central panel. These can only be seen when we add or import the file and folder in the Lightroom. Make sure that you are in the library panel. Let us import the folder and the files by clicking import button. In the import panel, left side is the source section from where we copy, and right side is the destination of the files. The central upper section shows how the import will take place. This is copy as DND. This will copy the file in DND format. Files will be copied by clicking copy. This moves the file from one folder to another. And add is used to just add the files to the Lightroom. Here we are going to add the photos as we have already copied the photos in the PC. Now we will open the source of the folders. When we click on the main folder wildlife, still we cannot see the photographs in the central panel. Here we have to click on include subfolder. No sooner we include it, we can see all the photographs. Here you can see a tick, which indicates that these photos will be added to the Lightroom. By clicking check and uncheck, you can check or uncheck all the photographs. You can check or uncheck a single photograph or multiple by holding Ctrl key and unchecking the tick. With this thumbnail slider, we can increase the size of the thumbnail. On the right hand side, we have these two options. We will see this in the second method of import. As soon as I click on import button, the photographs from the subfolder 1 NMBS 3 August 23 are being copied to the Lightroom. Here in folder, Now we can see the main folder wildlife and the subfolder 1NMBS 3 August 23 with 75 photographs. So this is one of the method of importing photographs in Lightroom. Now let us see the second method of importing photographs. In this method, the import is directly from the memory card with the help of Lightroom. Here in the source, we select the folder of the memory card to be imported. The photographs to be imported can be seen in the central section. Here in the top section, the copy is selected by default. On the right side section, we have file handling. In file handling, we have build preview. When we import photos, Lightroom creates thumbnail. File handling decides how quickly the previews can be seen. For that, minimal is selected. The second option is build smart preview. When smart previews are created, Lightroom has the ability to edit the smart previews even if the original photograph is not present in the PC. The third option is don't import suspected duplicates. This does not allow the import of duplicate photographs. The fourth option is make a second copy. A second copy is created at the specified destination. Fifth option is add to collection. This will add the photos to the collection sets. File renaming. The files can be renamed while import. You can customize the name from these options. I will select custom plus sequence. I will name Karnala-1. The format in which it will appear is seen here. All the imported photographs will be named as Karnala 1, 2, 3 onwards. Apply during import. Here in develop settings, the settings of develop module such as brightness, contrast, vivid or any other presets can be applied to the photographs to be imported. Normally I do not do this. Metadata. We can create copyright information. I have created a preset named NITEEN. The preset can be created by clicking New. A window will open where details are to be filled. Here preset name is to be entered. The copyright information is to be filled here. I have written my name. By clicking Create, the preset can be created. This copyright information will be embedded in all the photographs that are being imported. Destination. In this section, we can create subfolders and decide the destination of the subfolder. Here into the subfolder, we will create a subfolder named To Karnala 16 September 23. This subfolder we want in the main folder Wildlife. As I click on Wildlife folder, the subfolder appears here. On clicking on Import, Lightroom starts importing photographs. The process of copy is seen here. Once the import is complete, the new folder can be seen in the Wildlife folder. The subfolder is created in the main folder Wildlife, which is in the F drive. This is the second method of importing photographs. When we click on main folder, we can see all the photographs from all the subfolder in it. Here we have to folder. This folder contains 74 photographs and this contains 53. Total 127 photographs are seen in the central panel. If I click on this folder, I can see only the photos in this subfolder. And if I click here, only the photographs in this folder can be seen. So this is how the folders and the subfolders are created and imported in the Lightroom. One thing is to be kept in mind that any changes in the folder file, such as change in the name, change in the location, should be done in the Lightroom itself. Any changes done to the files or the folder outside Lightroom, Lightroom will not recognize the folders or the files, and Lightroom will lose the track of that files and folders. These files and folders will not be seen in the Lightroom. Hope this will help you in creating folders and importing photographs in the Lightroom. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and do subscribe to my channel NITEEN KOKANE Photography.